I had some potted geraniums from last season, and I decided to follow what other people have been doing on YouTube, is overwinterizing their geraniums. So this is my first attempt at that. What I did was late fall, I dug up the geraniums or removed them from the flower pot, and I cleaned the leaves, the roots off of them, and put them into cardboard boxes, which I let sit in my basement in a cool area over the winter time. In the springtime, you see me bringing the stuff out for the first time. First time it's seeing daylight since, I guess, September, October last year. I'm kind of late in the season here with this. I should have did this probably in February, March time frame, but I didn't get around to doing this until probably the 1st of May, something like that. So I'm running a little seasonal late on this, but again, it was my first try and I didn't really know what to expect. So this is the process of what I did to overwinterize my geraniums, and let's see how it worked out. Hope you excuse the shakiness of the camera. I had a Go Cam and I had it mounted on my chest, so it's a little shaky, but hope you excuse that. Prior to repotting in dirt, we let them sit soaking in water for 24 hours to get the rest of the time to revitalize. Sad about how they look, but let's take it to the next step and let's go back and repot them and see if they grow. That's the main thing. So I completed the task of repotting all the roots, and I came back roughly a week and a half later to see if I had any growth. So this is what I saw the first week and a half or 2 weeks after repotting. At this point, you can hear my neighbor's dogs barking as I'm trying to see what's going on with my flowers. But it's been 3 weeks have passed, and let's see what we got. That one doesn't look too good. That looks brown. Looks like it's still dead. That one is still coming along, I guess. Okay. Oh, there's a weed there. Pluck that one out. Still doesn't look that great. Little small ones in between there don't look that great. Well, it's 3 weeks, so let's give them a little bit more time, but they really don't look good. Especially this. Look at this one here. Pathetic. Totally pathetic. And this one. Oh, this one is doing great. It's coming along. This is my favorite. So, after 3 weeks, we got some greenery on this one. The other 1, 2, 3, 4 aren't doing that well, so we're going to give them a little bit more time. And I think I'm ready to plant my flowers for the spring, or for this season. I'm going to take this one here and put it on in my flower pot on my banister. I'll do an update in approximately 2 weeks and see how those flowers that's still in the pot are coming along. If you don't see an update, I trashed them.